For this first experiment, we're going to use a piece of paper, a cotton swab or a toothpick, and some lemon juice, a candle, and a lighter. So first, we're going to to dip the cotton swab in lemon juice and write something in the piece of paper. And oh, clearly we can't see anything, but we're gonna let it dry and then we'll see the next part. After a couple of minutes, the text has finally dried completely. We still can't see anything, but now we're gonna light the candle and see if we can guess what the message says. We're going to place the paper over the fire. I had to take the gloves off for security reasons because they're plastic and I'm using fire. But this is so far what I've got. I think it took a little bit more because there's a lot of wind over here and it wasn't letting it burn completely. But I think it's almost done. There's a lot of wind, I'm really sorry. And now we can see that this is a chemical reaction, and what we're seeing right now is the burnt carbon from the paper, which is creating this reaction.
Hi, for the second experiment we're going to use yeast, a disposable cup and a disposable spoon, food coloring, 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, an empty PET bottle, liquid dish soap, a plastic funnel, tap water, and a plastic flat container. First, we're going to mix 2 tablespoons of yeast with 3 tablespoons of water. And we're going to mix it. Then, in the PET bottle, we're going to put the 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, with the spoon of liquid soap, and 4 drops of food coloring. Now we're going to place the PET bottle in the plastic container, and with help of the funnel we're going to mix it with the other mixture. And this is what happens. Thank you.
Okay, so in experiment number 3, we're going to observe another way to inflate a balloon. So we are using a 1/4 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, a balloon, and a plastic bottle. I have already filled the balloon with 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and now I'm filling the plastic bottle with the vinegar. We need to be very careful while placing the balloon so the baking soda does not fall into the plastic bottle. Now that I have just placed the balloon in the bottle, I am going to tear the Well, as we can observe the chemical reaction, we got the balloon to inflate. So here now we have another way to inflate balloons.
For this experiment, I'm going to use vinegar, an egg, and a bowl. For this, I'm the vinegar. I'm going to take the egg. I'm going to put it in the bowl, and I'm going to fill the bowl full of vinegar, like that. And we're going to wait 24 hours and see how it reacts. For now, nothing is happening. It has some bubbles, and that's all. This is the second day of the egg experiment. So here we have the egg. We can see it has a lot of bubbles over here. We are going to take the egg, and we can see how it's soft. It's very soft. We can see the yellow inside of the egg, and the outer layer it just melted. Seems like it's like a ball. It's like, yeah, it's very soft.